Welcome to the Wonderland. Yes, Wonderland. This is a place where nothing matches to our everyday life experiences. Yes. What is that land? That place is actually the place of quantum physics, the world of quantum physics. Means when you think of atoms, what comes to your mind? If you do not know quantum mechanics or quantum physics, then actually what comes to your mind? Immediately, the tiny solar system comes to your mind. Electrons orbiting the nucleus. But in reality, this doesn't happen. Electrons don't orbit the nucleus. Actually, what you will get is a cloud of probability around the nucleus. Cloud of probability. That means the exact path of traveling of electrons is not known. Okay. At this time the electron may be here, at that time the electron may be there, but this is totally uncertain. You cannot predict with certainty. So only way to find out is the measurement. And whenever you are measuring to know the information about the electron, actually immediately there is a change in the outcome. So this happens with the electron. That means what is the conclusion from here? Totally uncertain phenomenon. Okay. Next, if you move to next experiment, that is double slit experiment, you know. Say you are firing one electron at a time through two slits. So if you do not watch anything, so in that case what happens? You will get an interference pattern. But whenever you watch which slit the electron goes through, in that case you will get a particle nature of the electron. That means in this experiment you can observe both the wave-like nature and the particle nature of the electron, of the same thing, that is electron. Particle nature when you are observing the interference pattern on the screen. That means that time the electron is exhibiting its wave-like pattern or wave nature. And when you are watching which slit the electron goes through, in that case the system is disturbed and you are getting the particle nature of the electron. So this is the outcome of double slit experiment. So here also you can see the very act of observation changes the outcome. Just like a magic show. Though it's real, but seems like a magic show. Again, you know that in the quantum world, two particles can be entangled. Two particles can be entangled in a way that when you change the state of one particle, immediately that affects the change in the other, whatever be the distance between them. Even if the distance is in terms of light years, then also this is true. So that is also magical, like a magic show. And Einstein called it famously spooky action at a distance. So you can see uncertainties, full of uncertainties are there. And magical phenomena are there in the quantum world. Still, scientists have been able to detect all these special phenomena to devise different technologies. You know, different technologies are using this special phenomena of quantum mechanics. Like quantum computers are there, quantum communication systems are there. So many things are there. That means what is the requirement? The requirement is to understand all these things, all these bizarre effects properly. If you can understand all these things properly, then you can use your knowledge to, for the creation of different technologies, for the invention of different technologies. And in reality, at present, different technologies are using the same principles. Though the principles do not match with the classical physics or do not match to our daily life experiences, still those things can be used and really being used by the scientists. And that is known to you. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. And this is the end of this video. If you liked this, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end of this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.